So we're left with the stalk, which we're going to do in a minute.
Now it's time to embroider the leaves.
I've got my green pen because I'm just
I'm going to take my washable marker and mark
leaves
on the template
to go,
where I want the leaves to be.
So I think actually with these ones I'm probably going to do...
You'll notice that the template doesn't include any leaves, so it's entirely up to you
one coming out
if you want to include them or not.
And then I'll probably do one coming out of there, one coming out of there. Now up in the daisies,
I'm just roughly marking a line
one out of there
where I want the stitches to go.
One there, maybe, one there, and then I think we might have one up there. We'll see how that looks and then we'll go from there. So to do our leaves, we're just going to do 2 straight stitches over the top of each
I'm now
of them.
ready to start
So I'm actually going to come in,
so I've already threaded my needle.
When we wash off the design, this is
through the material
because they're washable pens. So leaving a tail on the
and make
inside.
one straight stitch.
I'm going to just do a straight stitch.
Making sure I've left a tail.
As long as I want it to be.
Go back down through the material and
then
pull to tighten.
Up again.
Come back up through that first hole.
Or as close to as I can. And I'm just going to come back down.
And go back down through the second hole.
As close to as I can. Now I've gone through my loop and I've just unlooped that because I don't need to do that.
Oops, I've got myself tangled.
There we go.
Pull to tighten and you'll see you've got your first leaf in place. It's as easy as that.
Same thing again.
Repeat that step again, coming up as close to that first hole as possible.
And then I'm going to come,
creating a straight stitch,
point where we've drawn,
and going back down through the material.
I'm going to do the same thing
Repeat this step again, coming up through the first hole or close to it.
Nice straight stitch back down.
And going back down through the second hole.
And then you've got to finish it off by tying it off.